I'm off to Japan in a few days and it's a 13-hour flight. So I'm going to take you with me and show you exactly what I'm going to be using for my skincare on board. Everything complies with liquid allowances. Obviously, you know that certain restrictions are still in place when it comes to liquid. So let's go. So for me, the most important thing is hydration. There's no point in looking fabulous on holiday if your skin is looking dry, flaky and cracked. So the first thing that I do if I'm wearing makeup is to take my makeup off using either micellar water or a cleansing balm. I love this one. It's by Emma Hardy. It's a lovely travel size. It's 50 grams. It is Moringa or Moringa or Moranga or cleansing balm. It smells gorgeous as well. Absolutely lovely, like having a spa day. So I literally get that, emulsify it in my hands, just warm it up really, put it all over my face. And normally what I'll do is I'll ask the cabin crew for a warm towel or a warm cup of water and use a towelette or some cotton pads just to wipe that away. Super easy, you don't have to leave your seat to do it. So once all my makeup's gone, the next thing that I'm going to do is use a really light exfoliant. Now, why am I doing that on board a plane? Well, I've just explained that planes, your skin, dehydrated, very dehydrating, very dry, horrible dry atmosphere for our skins, really, really not great. So what we need to do is remove dry layers of skin so the lovely face mask that I'm going to show you in a minute can penetrate and do a really good job. Now, the two that I highly recommend, which I love, are these. So this is Good Genes by Sunday Riley. This is a glycolic. It's like a serum. You pop it on, you don't need to rub it off. It's absolutely beautiful. It might make your skin look a little flushed. That's a good thing. It's going to get rid of dead skin cells or any of that makeup that's left behind. That is my favorite. That's the one I'm absolutely taking. This one is equally as good. It's salicylic acid, so it's really good for those of you that have blackheads or maybe a little bit more greasy. This is a liquid exfoliant, salicylic acid. Apply it with a pad or just pop it into your hands, tap your hands together and then press that into your skin. Again, these two do not need to be washed off, so you can do that sat in your seat watching your movie. It's absolutely fine and they work a treat. Fabulous. So once that has been done and I've removed all the dead skin cells, the remaining bit of makeup, I'm now going to think about putting a face mask on. Now, a lot of you might think, well, that's a bit embarrassing. Don't. Everybody does it on long haul flights, even short haul flights now. Hydration is the most important thing. So I'm going to reach for really hydrating face masks that are packed full of juicy goodness. Now, the ones that are trending at the moment, you will have seen, they are the collagen-rich hyaluronic acid face masks that you pop on and you can leave for hours. And that's the one that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this one. It's a deep collagen mask. It comes in a couple of sections. So you've got the top and then you have the bottom. You just literally just apply it, leave it on, and it goes transparent. And that's the product sinking into your skin, making you super hydrated, super glossy and beautiful and juicy. So they say on the back here that you can leave it on for 30 minutes or more. A lot of people will leave it on overnight. I will leave it on probably for the duration of the flight if it will stay on my face. It is a brilliant one. It doesn't kind of peel away. So at least a couple of hours for sure. My flight is 13 hours, so it might not stay for the duration, but it's definitely going to stay for a long time. I'm actually going to pop that on. Before I pop that on, I will pop some Vaseline on my lips, or if I remember to take it, I'm going to take this. This is the Laneige Lip Balm. It is it's a lip mask actually. So it is a gorgeous, smells of cherries or strawberries. It's lovely and it helps exfoliate the lips and helps the lips look really juicy and hydrated, which you are going to need on a long haul flight. So that's my lips hydrated or sealed with Vaseline. Vaseline is great. It's an occlusive, so it's actually sealing in moisture so your lips won't dehydrate on the plane. Super affordable as well. I've got my face mask on. I love this one. If you're in the UK and you can't get hold of this one, this is from Amazon. It is a fabulous one, I have to say. There are more expensive versions of this, but I love this. If you're in the UK, I picked this up from Lidl. In fact, if you're all over the world, this is Sakura and hyaluronic acid, and it's a great face mask. So I'll pick that one up because I thought, well, you know what? It's a good one to have in my hotel room as well. Although when I get to Japan, I'm totally going shopping, so don't worry. But that's a nice little affordable one that you could literally dash and get. Now, that is my face for a good few hours, but this is what I also do. We've got to think about these things, girls. Got to think about the hands. This is a sensational hand mask. So it goes on the hands almost like gloves. You've got your fingertips free and it will sit there for 8 hours. It's a really fabulous hand mask. You obviously could put cotton gloves on as well if you wanted to. I wouldn't bother. It's just that little extra step. I don't know how many of you would actually bother with it, but it's a good one to do. It really is. And it works. It makes your hands look so plumped up, so lovely, not dry, not dehydrated, and I guess a little more youthful as well. So we are now well into the flight. I've watched a few movies. I've tried to have a nap. Now, here's the thing, when you try to have a nap, what we need is something that's comforting. So this is my go-to. I love this stuff. I've talked about it loads on this channel. It is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and it really is gorgeous. It's a moisturiser, but it's got lavender, it's got patchouli. It's just such a gorgeous, comforting, really nurturing, calming smell, fragrance, but it's also deeply rich. So if you want to pop that on your hands or on your arms, even pop a little bit on your neck, it's really lovely to calm your nerves, to help you relax. You know how it is. Air flights can be quite stressful and anxiety provoking, especially long haul. So it's nice to reach for that, and you can top up during your flight as well. I often have with me, and I'll have with me when I go to Japan, lavender oil and frankincense as well. Frankincense to me is very grounding. It's a beautiful oil. Lavender, very calming. They're also great anti-aging oils, but this is for kind of just relaxing me a little bit. Now, if you do manage to get to sleep, you're going to love this. This is my brand new one. I've got this in navy. I have it in cream. I highly recommend you get the navy if you wear makeup, and sometimes you have mascara that does smudge because you're going to ruin it. But this is a silk face mask. Now, it is, open that away from the microphone. It's a lovely one just to pop on just while you are on the flight, and maybe you just want to have a few hours kip, if you can get some sleep, that is. Really lovely face mask, super soft, doesn't create lines on your face because it's nice and wide and it's not tight, and it's a Velcro rather than elastic, which can obviously snag your hair and leave marks, to be honest with you. So that is a new one ready for my flight. Okay, so I am a few hours out from landing. What do I do now? So the face mask has come off. I've probably had something to eat, gone to the bathroom. Definitely keep moving when you're on these long haul flights. And now I'm going to think about getting my skin prep for landing. When we land, it's going to be 7 a.m. in the morning, so we're going to have to stay up for the duration. So I do want my skin to look dewy, not dry. I'm not going to apply lots of makeup. I'm just going to make sure that my skin is hydrated. That's the real focus. Now what I'm going to do is think about adding some moisturizers. Now, I absolutely love these under eye patches. These are by Stella and Grace and Stella. They call them energy drinks for the under eyes. They are packed with amino acids, vitamins, minerals, hyaluronic acid. You can see the liquid in there. It is fabulous. Pop one of those on under each eye, and then think about your moisturizer. I love, love, love this. It's not expensive. It's not high end. It is French pharmacy magic. It is this. It's Ombre Orlis La Creme Concentrate. It is absolutely my go-to ride or die skincare. I won't do without it. It is rich, it's luxurious, it feels moisturizing. You can use it all over your face, neck and body. I love this. This is my brand new one, ready to come to Japan with me, because it is a French pharmacy product. I might not be able to get it there, I'm sure I can, but you will be able to get this from Amazon. It's fabulous. So that is going straight on while my under eyes are having a lovely energetic drink. And that is almost it. I mean, there really isn't much else left. It's about hydration. So when I am due to land, my autocorrect, which is my under eye cream and concealer in one, is absolutely straight out of my bag, under my eyes, and then I am ready to disembark. So that's it. Those are my in-flight essentials for my skin. It's all about hydration. I'm not bothered about looking gorgeous and pretty. I'm not impressing anybody. I'm not there to impress. I just want to make sure that my skin looks hydrated, it looks healthy, it looks dewy, and it's nourished for when I get to the other side, which matters. I'm going to look like I've had a really good night's sleep, when no doubt I probably won't have done. So that's it. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. I've chosen this video for you next. Whilst I'm in Japan, I am going to try to do some vlogging. I've never done it before, so you'll have to bear with. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I will share everything that I am taking with me on board in the description box and in the first pinned comment. Until the next video, bye for now.